Okay, so this is my edpuzzle video from a student's view. I've already completed it from the student's view, so I'll just click on it and show it. So here's my first question. It's an open-ended question.
Smoking affects almost every part of the body. It causes a wide array of diseases and puts the smokers and even second-hand smokers' health at risk.
Not only does smoking affect yourself, but it affects other people.
The diseases brought on by smoking include heart diseases, respiratory diseases, oral diseases, cancer, and others.
So that was my audio note. This is my next question. It's a multiple choice question.
Nicotine, a substance found in cigarettes, causes the blood vessels of the body to constrict, leading to increased blood pressure, referred to as hypertension. Hypertension requires the heart to work harder, thus increasing oxygen demand. But carbon monoxide, a dangerous gas, decreases oxygen supply in the blood by binding to hemoglobin, the main oxygen carrier in the blood. Low blood oxygen level is known as hypoxemia. With continued constriction and high blood pressure, the blood vessels become weak and vulnerable to fat buildup. Fat accumulation or atherosclerosis in the walls of the blood vessels can cause obstruction.
This is my third question. It has two parts in this one question section. So there's that one. True, false.
Smoking also increases coagulability of blood, consequently increasing blood clot formation. All of these effects contribute to the development of cardiac arrhythmia, heart attack, and peripheral vascular disease. Smoking irritates the lining of the lungs, lessening the lungs' ability to fight off infection. It also becomes susceptible to colds, flu, bronchitis, pneumonia, and emphysema. Long-term exposure to smoke also affects elastin, the enzyme responsible for the lungs' flexibility, leaving the smoker prone to emphysema. Decreased oxygen supply deprives the oral cavity from the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay healthy.
And here's my last question. It is an open-ended question as well.
Infection can easily penetrate the oral cavity with its weakened health. Smoking causes negative effects to the mouth, such as tooth discoloration, bad breath or halitosis, impaired sense of smell and taste, greater susceptibility to inflammation, and tooth loss.
And then here's my comment. It has a comment with a picture and they can comment back. I also cut it down to under 3 minutes. It was over 4 minutes. So now that I showed you all that, I'm going to go to my account and show you some more. So I created a class. I prevented skipping here. It has a due date for January 2nd. I can export the results right here. I can delete the assignment, and then I'll show you my classes. So I assigned it to Mrs. Roundy's health class as well as physical education class. So yeah, that is my video. Yep.